This is Wonder flour, extra fine flour. Pick your gravy for your Thanksgiving meal. Makes it nice and smooth. We are making a roux. Butter and flour, that's the roux. I added the wine first because it makes the roux activate quicker. Look at it, it's going to absorb all the fat. And I'm going to make what's called a medium dark roux. So it's going to get darker and darker. I'm going to let this cook for about 1 minute. It smells like caramely nuts. If you want to make a gumbo, you make a dark roux. An Alfredo, a blonde roux. Look at that. See how that's brown? It's not burnt. It's brown. If it's burnt, you're fucked. Activate the roux with chicken stock. Hot chicken stock. The heat, the flour, the butter. If it's really hot, boiling like this, it's going to make the roux come together. If it's not hot enough, the butter and the flour will break, and you will have a broken roux. Now I'm getting all the foam off the bottom of the pan, all the flavor.